Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evidence, and in today's video I am going to explain to you what is HTML and CSS. And believe it or not, HTML and CSS is not rocket science. It's actually very easy to understand, and I'll do my best to explain to you in the simplest form possible what HTML and CSS is. And let's get right to it. So what is HTML and CSS? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is what is used to build every website. HTML is mostly used to structure a website. Its main function is to tell the computer what information to display on the screen and in what order to display it. HTML accomplishes this by wrapping whatever it is you want to display on a website in what is known as HTML elements. And I'm going to cover HTML elements in a different video. So if you want to display a paragraph, you wrap that paragraph in a paragraph element. So for example, the paragraph element is this. Let's say paragraph here. And this is the closing tag. This whole thing is the paragraph element, and on the website the computer will display just the word paragraph. That's the only thing it's going to display. To not display this opening tag here, this P tells the computer, hey, display the word paragraph as a paragraph. So for example, if I wrote something like this, so this H1 is a heading element. If I wrote something like this on the computer will display the word paragraph on a website, but it will display it as a heading, a very big bold heading. But this paragraph will be displayed as just a regular text like this one. So it takes the information that you want to display it and wraps it around this element, these tags here, to tell the computer what to display on the screen and what order. So if I did something like the image paragraph, the image tag, so the image tag is what is considered a self-closing tag, which means I don't need this whole thing. I can just write slash and close it. And basically this is an attribute to the image paragraph. In a different video I'm going to show how to add an image to a website, but for just this video, just know that if I write this on the computer will display an image. Whatever this image is, that's what the computer will display, because this tag right here is telling the computer, hey, display an image, and this src tells it where to find the image. And in HTML and CSS, everything is displayed in the order that you wrote it in. So if I have this on my program, the computer will display this paragraph before the image. So it displays things on the website in the order they are written in. In the next video I am going to show how to set up an HTML document. And now let's move on to CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is a style sheet because it is used to style the content of HTML. CSS works hand in hand with HTML. CSS is not the same as HTML. CSS is actually a different language than HTML, but both of them are used together to build a website. CSS is what is used to add color, style, font size, background image, and is used to position the content of HTML document. You can think of HTML as the skeleton of the website, and CSS will be the skin. And in an upcoming video I am going to show you how to link HTML to CSS, because let's say you have HTML document and then you have CSS document, and these are two different documents. They do not communicate with each other. You have to link this document to this in order for them to communicate with each other, and in order for this HTML document to behave according to the CSS rules you have given it. So in an upcoming video, I am going to show you how to link HTML to CSS. And that is it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And don't forget to follow me on social media, on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram at Evidence and Media. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.